For years, many of our customers have used our Legend series, which has been a very good brake system that we came out with really at the inception of Master Power Brakes. It's worked well for us. We've had a lot of customers use it over the years. We continue to sell it today, and it's honestly still one of our best-selling kits. Recently, though, we have decided to maybe tweak things up a little bit and have come out with our Rallye series, which is what we have here in front of us and what we'll talk about today. So the basic design and thought process behind the Rallye series has been we wanted big braking power that would still work within a 15-inch wheel. So what we've got here is just a cutaway of a GM Rallye wheel. Within it you'll see it's an 11-inch rotor with the 4-piston aluminum caliper. All fits within this 15-inch wheel confines. The components involved in the Rallye series are what makes the system work so well and what gives it that additional stopping capability over our Legend series. So what's going to make up a Rallye kit is going to be an 11-inch rotor. It's a unicast rotor, comes slotted, drilled, zinc washed, comes with bearings, everything all pre-assembled, pre-greased. Additionally, for mounting, you get billet aluminum brackets, and in some kits even a laser cut steel bracket. The real shining star within the Rallye series is definitely the caliper. What we've got is a 4-piston billet aluminum caliper. It's all made in the USA, high quality finishes, parts, materials, everything. The two halves are a CNC machine billet aluminum piece with a clear powder coat finish, stainless steel pistons, dual sealed for both pressure and weather. So it's just like an OEM caliper would be. Just a really nice piece. It's got outstanding clamping force. It's a fixed mounted caliper, so there's no floating of it, so you get equal pressure on both the inner and the outer brake pad, providing a really nice braking experience. The Rallye series is available for most GM, Ford, and Mopar applications. Best thing to do is obviously check our website for your application, and if you'd like, just give one of our sales guys a call. They'll certainly walk you through what's going to work best for you and your vehicle.